Hi everybody, and welcome to our assembly on fairness and equity. This time you've got an assembly from me and Emma, and Emma is our rights respecting schools teaching assistant, so it's fantastic to be working with Emma outside, socially distanced, so we're all nice and safe. Working towards our Gold Award, we were asked to think about the concepts of fairness and equity. So I thought I'd have a chat with Emma about that. Oh, hi Emma. Thanks for having this chat with me. This is so lovely. So Emma, do you think our school is a fair school?
Absolutely, yes.
Does everybody have the same rights?
Yes.
Okay. So is everybody at Oscott Manor treated exactly the same?
Maybe not.
So Emma, do you work with any pupils on an individual basis?
Well, thinking about it, I work with some very small groups in my class in quiet areas so that they can achieve their goals as well.
Assembly, I am Jamie and I feel I am treated fairly at Oscott Manor School. However, not everyone is treated the same. I have extra help with reading and writing.
Thank you, Jamie.
So, do you know what, Emma? So we are a fair school. Everybody gets the same rights, but I treat some pupils differently in my class. For example, I do some extra work in maths with some of my pupils, and we go into the quiet room and we work one-to-one. So is that unfair on the pupils that are left behind in the class? I don't think it is, because they don't need that extra support, do they? So everybody, thank you so much for watching that assembly on fairness and equity, and we would love to hear your responses. Do you think we're a fair school, and how do we help you achieve to the best of your abilities? This is so important on our journey to gold. So send us some messages on Dojo, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you from Louise, Emma and our special guest, Jamie.